Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to relay calls in Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the chats icon down below in the left side corner of the screen, then tap on your initials in the upper left corner. Click on settings, scroll down and tap on privacy, scroll down, tap on advanced, and here you have the always relay calls feature that you can enable by tapping on this button next to it on the right side. As you can see, it says relay your calls through a Signal server to avoid revealing your IP address to your contact, enabling the reduced call quality. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the same button again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.